We're supposed to be playing some poker, but we're getting a little anxious, so we're gonna go out and have a little fun with the cars before poker. Mark and Brian are gonna put on a performance for us tonight.
And we're not talking about the cars.
We're about to get on the table.
You just said you're getting under the table?
All I know is Mark brought some ones, and Brian was really happy to be here.
I got more ones in my other pocket.
So that's where Tony could go and grab all the ones with his mouth. So
That's you, bro. That's all you, Victor. The dirtiest mouth at this table for sure.
Hey, bro, I brushed before I got here, bro.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Wow, we just got back. You guys were shooting some massive flames, bro. I haven't seen flames like out of your car like that. What's going on? What's new?
Man. I think the car retuned itself.
It did. There's something you're not telling us, bro.
91 octane.
That's bullshit, bro. I can smell the E85 behind
I was
your
gonna
car.
say, so the secret is 87. You gotta
You're
put
so
87.
full of shit, bro. I hear you're contemplating getting rid of the 600 LT.
Yeah, trying to get one of those the GT3 RSs. You know, those are like the Porsches.
I don't know.
Cut. I'm gonna beat the shit out of Brian real quick. Cut. We'll come back with Brian with a black eye. So, what kind of car are you gonna get again, Brian?
Ferrari.
Oh, you're gonna get a Ferrari?
Yeah.
Okay, I could deal with a Ferrari.
Ferrari's good.
Not to say anything bad about Porsches, but the kind of driving that we like to do and stuff like that, like.
Yeah. It's more pops and bangs, dude, if you have a Porsche.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Have you heard of them? They're pretty popping and banging, dude.
Oh, really? I think you will really regret getting rid of the 600 LT, but that's just me, bro. That's just me. Dude, we sounded good going through the tunnels, too.
Oh, that was
Yeah.
What happened? Did you guys see that guy weaving?
Wait, which one?
When we were going through the tunnels the first time. Like, I literally think he thought those were gunshots. Because he was like, he slammed on the brakes and he was maneuvering,
Yeah,
bro.
he said something to me. The Nissan.
Yeah.
I think he thought those were gunshots, and then because he's like, oh shit, maneuver through the bullets.